Hello and welcome back to another video. In this problem, we're asked to evaluate the limit if it exists. And we have the limit as x approaches negative 3 of x squared plus 3x over x squared minus x minus 12. So what we have to do here is we have to simplify this fraction in a way that it allows us to plug in negative 3 into our function. Because if we plugged in negative 3 immediately in the denominator, then we would get a value of 0, and you can't divide by 0, so we can't do it directly. So what we're going to do is we're going to factor the numerator and the denominator. So we're going to say this is equal to the limit as x approaches negative 3 of, factoring out the numerator, we can take out an x, and that leaves us with x plus 3 inside. And here we have a trinomial, so we set it up like this. We need two numbers that multiply to negative 12 and add to negative 1. So that's negative 4 and positive 3. And so now we have two things that can cancel, and therefore this is equal to the limit as x approaches negative 3 of x over x minus 4. And these are equal given that x is not equal to negative 3. We have to specify this because the difference between this fraction and this fraction is that if you plug in negative 3 in this fraction, then you get a value of something over 0, which we mentioned earlier, obviously not allowed. Here, if you plug it in, there's no restriction, so we have to add it back in. However, the limit as x approaches negative 3, this is talking about the behavior as the function gets closer and closer to negative 3. It doesn't actually matter what's going on at negative 3, so we can ignore this. And therefore say that the limit as x approaches negative 3 of this is just equal to plugging in negative 3 wherever we see x. So we have negative 3 over negative 3 minus 4. This is negative 3 over negative 7, which is 3 over 7.